We're going to be spending a collective 3 weeks immersed in the challenges of the real world. That can't help but come back to campus and inform how we move forward as a community. This is also an opportunity for the institution to learn in the years ahead and stay connected and married with the real world, which is really the only place that our mission has any relevance whatsoever.
About four or 5 years ago, and we had a group of faculty that came together to think broadly about student engagement at Shadyside. And where we landed is this Immersives experience crafted to the specifics of Shadyside. And I think really the component where we are out and really trying to connect as best we can with Pittsburgh and beyond is probably the thing that would set it apart from some of what we saw at other campuses.
Just the process of going out into the field and putting a human face on what can be in the classroom, just an abstract concept or a theory. Whatever's being studied, whatever issue is being studied, it gives it more relevance. The Immersives give us a vehicle to do that.
As teachers, we have to remember what it's like to be learners and what it's like to come in with a beginner's mind to a subject area. And so I think channeling with the faculty what it was like to be a learner of something where you were really fully immersed in it was a great way for us to get started on that process.
This program is designed to anticipate the kinds of adult experiences and the kind of adult learning that's going to be essential for them. We've been around for a long time at Shadyside. We're a school of great history, and we're still here because at crucial moments, we've reimagined our vision, our purpose, our curriculum in ways that meet the needs of the world and the students at that particular time.
In many ways, this experience is going to mirror more what real life is like, as opposed to practicing the skills that are going to make you very good at school. These kinds of courses are going to challenge kids to think about their own learning in a way that maybe they don't really have time to reflect on in a conventional setup.
The hope is that it's going to be something that they take with them and grow on their own even after our classes end.
This is a tremendously unique and consequential learning experience. I can't wait to see long into the future how Immersives positively reshape the institution, the way it thinks about itself, its mission, and its purpose into the future.